In the heart of a dense forest lived a wolf named Zephyr. Unlike other wolves, he kept a secret hidden deep within his heart. While his pack roamed the wild, hunting and playing in the moonlight, Zephyr's secret made him different from the others. He wasn't like the fierce, dominant wolves who valued strength above all. Zephyr had the ability to communicate with creatures of all kinds, a gift passed down through generations, but one he had never shared with anyone. He feared that revealing his power would make him an outcast, even among his own pack. One fateful day, disaster struck. A fire broke out in the forest, rapidly spreading through the trees, threatening the lives of every creature within. The smoke was thick, and the flames roared with fury. Zephyr watched helplessly as his pack struggled to escape the inferno, unable to find the path to safety. It was then that Zephyr knew it was time to use his secret. He called out to the birds, the foxes, and even the trees, asking for their help to guide the wolves to safety. The forest seemed to listen, responding to Zephyr's plea. Birds swooped down, leading the pack away from the fire. The trees whispered directions, showing Zephyr the safest route through the smoke-filled wilderness. His gift of communication had become the lifeline for his pack, and they followed him without question. As the fire raged behind them, Zephyr's heart swelled with pride, not for himself, but for the pack that was saved through his courage. When the danger finally passed, the wolves were in awe of Zephyr's bravery. He had not only saved their lives, but had proven that courage was not always about strength. Sometimes, it took a quiet, hidden power to protect those you love. From that day forward, Zephyr was no longer an outsider. He had become the hero of his pack, and his secret was no longer one of shame, but a symbol of courage and unity.